Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is the first animal is a dog. This is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is a horse. This is a horse. The next one is elephant. This is elephant. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a donkey. The next one is a lioness.